So the very first thing that we do for all 4 of these to classify them, what do we call them all, first of all? Real numbers. So you're going to put what next to all 4 of them? There you go. So go through and put an R about all 4. Yeah, no problem.
Look at you going.
And then, let's see. Okay, then we classify 2 things, either rational or irrational. So what about number 1? What is, why?
12.
There you go. This is 12, right? So this is rational. What about number 2? It's a decimal, but it's still rational. Why? There you go. It's a repeating decimal. It does it. It's not all crazy. What about this one? You got your calculators? Even? Yeah? Okay. So is that rational? Yeah. And then what about 0? Yeah. There you go. Okay. Then you went to integers. Integers were negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers. No decimals. So what about number 1? Is it an integer? 12?
Yes.
Yes, it's an integer. We put a Z for integers. What about number 2? No decimals, right? What about number 3?
Yes.
Yeah. And number 4?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, then we went to whole numbers. Whole numbers were 0 and positive numbers. No decimals. So what about number 1?
Yes.
Yeah. 2?
No.
No. 3?
Yes.
No negatives.
Oh, no.
Whole numbers are no negatives, right? We chop off the negatives. And then what about 4? Yes. Whole numbers are 0 and negatives. and positives, excuse me. All right, last one, natural number. How do you naturally count? Do you naturally count to 12? Yeah. Do you naturally count to 0.44? Do you naturally count to negative 45? No. Do you naturally count with 0? No, we don't count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? There you go. Y'all okay? All right. So, we'll wait. Y'all want to wait and do ACT tomorrow? Do that tomorrow? We'll just go over it tomorrow? Okay. So we'll wait and go over our ACT tomorrow. And then, okay, here's what we need to do. Grab your notes. We're going to, look, guys, we're going to fly through this real quick, and then we'll be done, okay? All right. Turn to page 13 real quick. Turn to page 13. We did this on Friday. Okay, look. We graphed all of them, and we solved all of them. But what's it say in the middle that we haven't done yet? There you go. Interval notation. All right, here we go. So write this on top of your paper. Let's do this quick so we can call it a day, okay? Let's get it done. All right, so if it's open, you use parentheses. If it's closed, you use brackets. Y'all okay? Did you finish this? Okay. All right, let's look at number 1. How do you read a book, guys? From which way to which way? Left to right. Okay, you read this graph the same way. Where's this going? To the left. What's this arrow means it's going to keep going to? To the left forever and forever and forever and forever and forever and forever, right? So what do we call it? There's a word that we call it if it goes forever. Look at you go.
Blackman.
Yes, ma'am. Who?
Lithium.
Matthew. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
She was breaking up. I couldn't hear. So we call it infinity, right? But guys, if you go to the left, what numbers are to the left? Positives or negatives? Negatives. So you write negative infinity, comma, and then look where it goes to the right. Where does it stop at? It doesn't go any further than what number? 8. Y'all okay so far? All right, and then 8. What kind of circle did that have?
Okay.
So there you go. And then infinities always get a parentheses. Always. All right, let's look at number 2. Pretty easy, right? I told y'all we're going to do easy stuff today. All right, how do you read a book? Which way to which way? Left to right. Okay, left. It doesn't go any farther to the left than this number right here. What number is that? Okay. Closed dot, right? So it gets a bracket. Yep. And then to the right, it's going forever and forever and forever and forever and forever. So that's infinity. But if it's going to the right, is that negative or positive? Positives are to the right. There you go. So sideways 8. And infinities always have a parentheses. So that one kind of looks funny. There you go. When I learned how to do these, I turned my paper to the sideways and just wrote an 8 to the sideways. If that helps you. All right, number 3. All right, number 3, to left to right. Left. Where's it going to on the left? Negative what? There you go. Yep. And infinities always get a what around them? Every single time. That's never, ever going to change, okay? But then, look where it stops on the right. The number can be different. What does the number get around him? A parentheses or a bracket? Why? There you go. All right, let's look at number 4. All right, look at your graph. Always look at your graph. Left to right. Left first. Where's it going to? Negative what? There you go. And infinities always get a. There you go. And where does it stop at the right? All right, now 3 can either be a parentheses or a bracket. Depends on the circle. What's the circle? There you go. So it gets parentheses. That's it. All right. Let's keep going. Are y'all okay? Pretty easy stuff? All right, let's look at this one, number 5. Left to right. The farthest it goes is negative 5, and it gets a bracket. There you go. Gets a bracket because it's closed. And then it goes where to the right? Positive infinity. And infinities always get a what? No, parentheses. There you go. All right, let's do number 6. To the left. Where's it going to the left? Yeah. And infinity always gets a parentheses. And then where does it stop at right here on the right? Ooh, what's negative 2 get? Bracket. Because it's got a closed dot. Okay? Y'all try 7, 8, and 10. 7, 8, and 10. Y'all try those. 7, 8, and 10. Okay, what about 7? What'd y'all get on 7? Yeah. With a parentheses or bracket. There you go, open. And then where's it go to? Yeah, parentheses or bracket. Perfect, there you go. All right, did we graph number 8? No?
No, we didn't.
Okay, well, let's not worry about that one then. What about 10? What'd y'all do for 10? Yeah, parentheses or bracket. Yeah. Perfect. And what's that get? There you go. Y'all okay? Okay, we're going to do 2 whole problems, and then that's it for today, okay? 2 problems. All right, flip to page 15. Flip to page 15. We're going to do numbers 2 and 3, and that's it. 2 and 3, and that's it. Okay, so let's cover this up. You see how you have 2 problems? You have this problem and this problem. See how you have 2 different ones? Y'all see that? Okay, so we're going to work on those 2 different problems. If you need to, cover up the first one so you don't look at it, okay? All right, so look at 2g plus 4. How would I solve that one? Yeah, minus the 4. Yeah, that's right. So 2g is less than negative 19. And then what would I do to get rid of the 2? Yeah. I divided by a positive though, right? So nothing happens to that inequality sign. Does that divide nice, neat, and pretty for us? For a good decimal? Yeah. Negative 9.5. Let's leave it as a decimal then. There you go. Alright, what about the other one? G minus 6. Yeah. Look at you go. And G's by itself, right? Okay, we got to graph it real quick. So let me graph it. Let me get a different pen. Hold on. Alright, let's see. Okay, now this one's got to be a bigger graph, okay? Because we've got to go from negative 5 to negative 9.5. So which one comes first? Oh, negatives are backwards. There you go, negatives are backwards, right? What comes after negative 9.5? Yeah. Then negative 8, yeah. Then negative 7, negative 6, and negative 5, right? Y'all okay? I made my graph a little too big. Alright, what about negative 5? What kind of dot does he get? Open, yeah. And then what about negative 9.5? What does he get? Yep. Alright, look at what it says. So negative 9.5, how am I going to shade for that one? Which way? To the left. So I'm going to find the negative 9.5, and I'm going to shade to the left of that one, okay? And then what about the negative 5? Where does it shade? There you go. So I'm going to find the negative 5 and shade to the right of him. So look at your shading now that you've got it done. What kind of word did it say right here in the middle? Or. And which way did it shade? Where they went away from each other, right? So somewhere at the top of your paper, write this down. We're going to write or shades away. Okay? Alright, and that's it. Okay, so what about number 3? Yeah, it's going to shade away, right? Because it's got that word or. So we know that. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve it. What would I do to solve that first one? Yeah? So, let's make it a glare. And that would be what? 6y is greater than 18? Yeah? Divide by positive 6. And y is greater than 3. Alright, what about the other one? Yeah? So yeah, 8y is less than or equal to negative 4. Divide by positive 8. And is that divide nice, neat, and pretty for us? Yeah? 0.5. Negative 0.5, right? There you go. Alright, and let's make a graph. This one doesn't have to be too big, though, right? We're just going, let's see, we got negative 0.5. What comes after negative 0.5? Oh, that's on the other side. 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. There you go. Alright, what about 0.5? Negative 0.5. Open or closed? Closed. Solid line here. Solid dot here. And then where's the negative 0.5 shade? Which way? To the left. There you go. And then the other one, 3. What kind of circle does it give? That one gives an open. And where's that? Pretty easy? Y'all okay? Okay, so your homework is page 14, 6, 8, 10, 11, and 13. So you can either do it at home tonight or you can do it now. It doesn't matter to me. I am going to take this one up tomorrow. For those of you that are not here, I might be nice and take it the next day. We'll see. We'll see what kind of heart I have tomorrow. 10, 11. There you go. Just those 5. That's it. Okay, look what it says to do. What's it say to do first in the directions? Yeah, you gotta solve it. Then what's it say to do? Yeah, it would probably be easy to graph it first, right? It's easy to graph it, then describe the interval notation, which is what we learned today, okay? All right. If y'all want to do that real quick, you won't have any homework tonight, and then y'all will have 100 tomorrow, okay? You want to get your quiz and finish your quiz real quick? Okay. And that's it, guys. That's all we're doing today, okay?